ministers and circuit stewards and leaders of this holy place, One World Methodist Church. Thank you for the many years you've accepted that we should come and worship in this place. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the ministers for being in the altar. Thanks for your time, for your prayers, and for everything. And more especially, may I say, thank you to the preacher, our preacher, Reverend Ian Luke Macaulay. He thinks he knows a lot about the academicians. And I say to you, sir, everything you said is accurate, with the nuance. Academicians, we would eventually go with the flow. But before we get there, we have so many lawyers. So we usually go with the flow. It's left, right, center, left, right. As you can see by the numbers, eventually we do go with the flow and not against the flow. Thank you so much. I want to say a special thanks to the Mayor, our guest of honor, His Lordship, Councillor Eddie Hansen. We know your story. It's the Ponian story. We know how you came into this country following the Civil War. That could have knocked you for 6 or 18. But you stood steadfast, resilient, and today you're the light at the borough of Camden. Thank you for spending time with us, sir. To our gracious, distinguished Grand Chief Patrons, Chief Patrons, Grand Chief Receiver, Chief Receivers and Receivers, special categories of people. You've come not because only about the Albert Academy. It's because there's something within you and in your heart to come and be a sign that we can serve. Thank you for that. I want to say thanks to our sister school, the Affordians, for your time here. You've never left us. You're always with us. Thank you for being that part of our story. To all our guests, thank you so much. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here to see that we do go with the flow and not against the flow. We thank you for your time. We thank you for your patience. I understand that some of you may have gone through the bit, that the service is getting lengthy, and I will stop talking soon. Thank you so much. To all academicians, and I do hope I haven't missed anyone, but I want especially to thank the members of the band and the choir for the time you put into practice, rehearsals, and particularly something I couldn't do, just breathe into instruments for it to produce sound. Thank you guys, and to the choir, we're just the best. Our band's the best, the choir's the best. Thank you so much for the time and effort that you put in for rehearsal. To all academicians, there's only one thing I can say, and we've just sang it. Hail the red and white so bold. Hail the red and white so bold. Academicians, we have only one responsibility, and that is to give of our best for the Albert Academy. That's all it is, regardless of who is leading or not. And I beg you, let us walk in love and unity and just be responsible to give back to those vulnerable students and to support the teachers at the Albert Academy. Thank you, everyone, and I hope I haven't missed anyone. God bless us all.